Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to yet another video. As always, if you enjoy our videos, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and make sure that you turn the notifications on. So whenever we upload a video, you get to know about it right away. We have some shocking news coming from India in the SSR, Sushant Singh Rajput's case. As you know, some months ago, Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his hotel room. Now there have been some developments in his case, such as that mobile phones of actors Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan and another one are among those seized by the Narcotics Control Bureau of India in its probe into allegations of drug abuse in Bollywood triggered by the death of movie star Sushant Singh Rajput. Ms. Padukone, one of the biggest names in the Hindi film industry, was questioned for 6 hours on Saturday by the NCB in Mumbai. She was summoned along with other A-listers actors such as Shraddha Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan. The NCB has also seized phones of talent managers and fashion designers and sent them for forensic examination in the case that has relied on recovered chat messages and has not led to discovery of any contraband or drugs so far. Ms. Padukone was questioned in Mumbai, where the Narcotic Control Bureau Special Investigation Team has set up a base. The probe into Bollywood's drugs links started with actress Rhea Chakrabarty's questioning 3 months after Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his Mumbai home on June 14th. The investigation, involving multiple agencies, has captivated India and the other nations, throwing up almost daily twists and wild speculations and campaigns on social media. Sources in the NCB, whose mandate is to go after larger drug cartels and not individual consumers, have said that the agency was summoning Bollywood A-listers to understand the network of supply through alleged consumers. The actors have not been named as accused in any drugs probe case and are only being questioned, agency sources have specified. During her questioning before arrest on September 9th, Rhea Chakrabarty reportedly named stars including Sara Ali Khan and another star in connection with drugs use. Her lawyer has denied this claim. Sara Ali Khan was also Sushant Singh Rajput's co-star in his upcoming film. According to Rhea Chakrabarty, Sushant Rajput developed the drugs habit while shooting the film. She said that before the Bombay High Court. The names of Deepika Padukone and Shraddha Kapoor were found in WhatsApp chats on the phone of Jaya Saha, Jayasah, who's also Sushant Singh Rajput's talent manager. So she is also being questioned for this. Sushant Singh's family, through their advocate, had aired their displeasure over the direction of the probe, calling the NCB probe to going in the same direction like Mumbai police probe, calling big names for questioning just to get attention. Now this is a huge development in this case. As you know, Sushant Singh Rajput's death had jolted India, but not only India but also other Asian nations where Bollywood movies are watched. So let's see what happens. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you.